Good morning. This is for my Patreon people. I have a winner of our video that I made of our little Dresden plates. Our little Dresden plate mug rugs that we had made. This is on my videos for patronage people who are very kind in supporting me. And I made these little Dresden plate, little mug rugs, little I don't know, just little candle mats, whatever that you want to use them for. I did a tutorial on them, and we have a winner, Donna Holder. Donna, these, if you want them, I keep saying you may not want them. If you just want to contact me through Patreon, that you have won these, I'll put your name in a hat, and these can be winging their way to you. Just a little something. That's how it goes. I'm going to make a little thing. The next thing I'm going to be making is a flat iron, a curling iron insulated holder, like a travel holder. That video will be coming soon for my patron people. So I want to thank you, Donna Holder. You have won, ding, 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 this week. You have won my little things that I made a tutorial on. So let me know your address and everything, and I'll be getting in touch with you and sending you your little prize. Okay, thanks a lot, folks. If you want to become a patron, it's www.patreon.com/JeanTruelove123. And you can be in my sewing room. And I have a little tip jar, and I'm really appreciating the donations I'm getting. It's really helping me a lot to stay on course and to keep making little videos for you guys. All right, there you go, Donna. You won them. See you later. Bye.